Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Here is another bag that I'm working on, but there is a problem with this bag. This is common in macrame crafts. You have to be extra careful. Most times when I'm working on a project, I will tell you be careful as you pick the ropes, because if there's a mistake, you are going to probably start all over. You can see this work have gone so far, almost to ending, but you can see what I'm doing here. I'm losing it. Can you see? I'm losing everything because I discovered that towards the ending I couldn't end it, and I tried to find out where the problem is. I've not been able to find it. So far I'm losing the whole thing. I'll be starting all over again. So whenever you're working on macrame craft, you have to be extra careful, especially when you are working on some intricate design that along the way you will not know where you pick something wrong. So you can see, as I was just doing it, I thought I should make a short video just to let us be aware. When you are doing something like this, be extra careful as you pick your rope. And when you are getting tired, put it aside. You can come back to it later, because things like this is very, very painful. The time I should use for other things is what I'm using for this. So you can see I'm losing it all over.